We said before that cryptocurrencies are digital currencies. So, are all digital currencies cryptocurrencies? The answer is no. For example, many central banks are working on creating their own versions of digital currency, collectively referred to as central bank digital currencies or CBDCs. However, these are essentially digital versions of fiat money, and they don't enjoy most of the benefits of cryptocurrencies. They are issued and declared legal tender by a central government and typically don't use a distributed ledger, such as a blockchain, to keep a record of transactions. Since the first Bitcoin mining reward was received in 2009, the world of cryptocurrencies has grown significantly. On the broadest level, all cryptocurrencies can be broken into two groups, Bitcoin and altcoins. Well, yes, Bitcoin and not Bitcoin doesn't seem like much of a categorization, but this is because of how dominant Bitcoin is in crypto. The market capitalization of Bitcoin is a significant portion of the total crypto market cap, so people generally call all cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin altcoins. Altcoin is a combination of the two words alternative and coin. There are thousands of altcoins in the markets as of mid-2022, with each one aiming to serve a different purpose or market. Next, you may have noticed that the terms coin and token seem to be used interchangeably sometimes. But are coins and tokens the same thing? At first glance, coins and tokens appear similar. Both exist on blockchains, can be traded on exchanges, and sent between crypto wallets. But the biggest difference is that coins are the native asset of a blockchain, such as Bitcoin on the Bitcoin network, Ether on the Ethereum network, and BNB on the BNB chain. Whereas tokens are built on top of existing blockchains. For example, there are many tokens built based on the popular ERC20 token standard, but there is only one native coin, Ether, on the Ethereum network. Moreover, tokens can be used like cryptocurrencies, but they're more flexible. They can serve as anything from digital receipts representing a stake in a company to loyalty points. Therefore, tokens can be categorized into different types according to their function and purpose. For example, transactional tokens serve as units of account and are used to exchange goods and services. Governance tokens give token holders the right to vote on governance issues of a protocol. Utility tokens are used as a form of payment within a specific ecosystem. There are also security tokens, equity tokens, liquidity provider tokens, and new types of tokens are likely to be created in the future as the crypto industry continues to innovate. When it comes to tokens, you can also mint millions of identical ones or mint a select few with unique properties. You've probably heard about non-fungible tokens or NFTs. NFTs are cryptographic assets on a blockchain with unique identification codes and metadata that distinguish each token from another. Non-fungible means items are not interchangeable because each has unique properties. This is a key difference between NFTs and other coins and tokens that are fungible. Being fungible means the coins and tokens are identical to each other, and therefore can serve as a medium for commercial transactions. Bitcoin and Ether are fungible coins, for example. There are many more types of cryptocurrencies, but we can't cover them all in this module. A good place to start is to familiarize yourself with the biggest cryptos in terms of market capitalization first. From there, you can gradually explore the less mainstream altcoins.